we're back, baby, at this creek system. And already we see a bunch of minnows. So I'm going to do the same thing this time. But we've got a glass bottle up there that we are going to be filling up. And then you'll be able to see these good minnows better. So, just like last time, I'm going to take my thongs off. I'm going to jump on that rock right there, or right here, and then this rock, because there's minnows just here. No, didn't catch one there. Don't know where they'll be hiding this time. They're all over there, Dad. Yep, see that? Look there.
Oh!
Fail. No, didn't catch anything. Oh, that was fun. I just went for a little swim. That was nice though. It's actually really cool in here. What? What's up?
There's minnows down there.
So much gunk around here, I just can't see him very well. Oh, wow. See him? Caught on the Kenny.
Okay, yep, you fill him up.
Yep, I'm pretty sure. Yep, there's a minnow there. There he is. 2 minnows. You can see him just swimming down there, down the bottom. Oh, there's some more minnows around here. Dad, I'm going to stay right here because this is like out. Whoa, Dad. He just went out. It's a pretty big fish right there. Can you see him, Dad? See him? You don't.
There's no minnows in there, mate.
Yes, there is. Look on the bottom.
It's a stick.
No, that isn't. Look on that side.
Oh, he's on the other side. Oh, there we go.
Some more.
There he is.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we've had technical issues with the iPad. So, and while that time I've been catching minnows. So these are all the minnows that I've caught so far. And now I'm gonna tip them in this net.
What sort of fish are in there, Ben?
There's baby swordtails, there's a male swordtail in there, there's a bunch of huge minnows, adult size, and wait, no way, that's a guppy. There's a guppy in there.
Wow.
Yep, so I'm gonna tip them in this net now. So, these are all the minnows. Oh, wow. Okay, I need to wait for them to one. Oh, there you go. No, you're staying with me, bud. This is a swordtail, and he is just a massive swordtail. You can see on the back of his tail. See how I'm holding him? Bud. Oh, wow. Oh, gosh. He is a baby guppy. No baby sword. Dude, but here is that male guppy somehow. There's a guppy in here. There's a guppy. So I'm going to release him. Just get him back like here. There he is. Another guppy, Dad. Another guppy. Release him. There he goes. With his pals. Okay, so wow. Okay, that's a baby minnow. The other one you just saw, he just went back in. There he goes. Stay out of my hand. There he goes. And that's going to be that's the minnows that I caught. I'm going to try catch a little bit more and then we'll end the video because I'm not sure how much time is left on it, so I'm just going to try catch a few more minnows. I hope I don't catch the same ones as last time. Okay, so I've got a bunch of moss. Yeah, Dad, all these minnows, the ones I released, they're all back out there with their pals. There's some. Didn't catch any there. Oh, found one of them. That's a swordtail. Swordtail down there. I can see it. There's a swordtail down there. I'm not sure if that was the one I just released. Because I just saw a swordtail just swim by. I'm not sure if that's the one I just released. There's like something like vibrating under this rock. What could that be, Dad?
Don't know, mate.
Didn't catch any. I need to get all this moss and look at that. Ew. See, get the moss off my hands. Oh, there's one. Caught one. Whoa. Something in the bush over there.
There's a lizard.
And is a baby guppy. If you want to come see that, here it is. See him down the bottom there?
Oh, yeah.
Swimming around. Lay him back where he just was. Didn't catch any there. I need to be really careful with these guys. I don't want to kill them, so I'm going to be a little bit gentle. Hey, okay, guys, that's going to do for the video, so see you next time. Like, subscribe. So I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.
Up. Up. Up.
Fail. Nope, didn't catch anything. Oh, that was fun. I just went for a little swim. That was nice though. It's actually really cool in here.